Hey there bakers, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are making chocolate chiffon cake. This soft and airy cake is a crowd pleaser and I'm excited to share the recipe with you. Let's start by whisking together the egg yolks and sugar. Add few drops of vanilla essence and whisk it. Into that, sift in the cake flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and a pinch of salt. Sift that in. Mix it. Now add some milk and oil. Now combine it really well. Now let's move on to the egg whites. Beat the egg whites until they become frothy. Then add in few drops of lemon juice. Whisk that again. Then gradually add the sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks form. Now it's ready. Now it's time to combine the egg yolks and egg whites. Gently fold the egg whites into the egg yolk mixture until no white streaks remain. Now the cake batter is ready. Let's pour the batter into the cake pan. So here I have not greased this pan and no parchment paper. So when you bake the chiffon cake, it clings onto the sides and rise. That's how you get the airy texture for this chiffon cake. Now let's pop the cake into the oven. Bake it for 170 degrees for around 30 to 35 minutes. Once the cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 1 hour. You have to put the pan upside down. Cooling the cake upside down helps prevent it from sinking or collapsing. Here I poured some homemade caramel sauce on top. Let's cut it and see the texture. Look at that, how soft and fluffy the cake is. Thanks for joining me with the kitchen today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more recipe videos. Happy baking!